Here is a room tour of room 7506, a penthouse, one-bedroom suite, ocean view, terrace jacuzzi, diamond club room at Royalton, St. Lucia. When you walk in, you have a table in the living room and a sofa with a bed that pulls out. There's also a bar that you can have your personal butler stock with your favorite beverages and snacks. Your butler can help with things like dining reservations, bringing you snacks and drinks wherever you are, including on the beach, packing and unpacking your luggage, and more. Now, here in this bedroom is a king-size bed. This room is perfect for families because there is so much space in each of the areas. Here's the bathroom. You have a huge soaking tub and a shower. The closet here is ginormous. The safe is located in here, and the Diamond Club rooms come with robes and upgraded bathroom amenities. There's also a balcony off of the bedroom if you want to sit outside at nighttime without going through the main living area and disturbing whoever is out there and maybe sleeping. This room can fit a maximum of 4 people. However, only 3 of those 4 can be adults. Here comes my favorite part, the terrace. There's seating room where you could curl up here and watch the sunrise and set, and lounge chairs where you could do some sunbathing. There's a jacuzzi you and your family can soak in, and check out this view. If you are interested in booking this resort or another, head to the travel request form in the description, fill it out, and I personally will be in contact. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and be sure to subscribe for more St. Lucia content and all things travel.